So hello everyone, we are doing question number 12th of booklet A, question number 8th of booklet B and question number 14th of booklet C. So I'll first write down whatever is mentioned in the question. It says we have two coconuts having spherical space and the smaller one has a diameter which is half of that the bigger one. That is, let me take diameter of the smaller coconut to be D. Then diameter of the larger coconut is double. It will be 2D. Hence radius of the smaller circle will be D by 2 and radius of the larger circle will be D. Now what it says is the smaller coconut is filled with liquid completely. Hence volume of the liquid will be given by 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is volume of sphere. So volume of liquid in the smaller coconut will be 4 by 3 into pi into d by 2 whole cube. And it is given that the larger coconut is half filled with liquid. So the volume of liquid in the larger coconut will be half times 4 by 3 into pi into r, which is its radius, which is d cube. On simplifying this, we get pi d cube by 6. On simplifying this, we get 2 by 3 pi d cube. This is volume of liquid in the smaller coconut and this is in the volume of liquid in the larger coconut. So what the first option says is the larger coconut contains 4 times the liquid in the smaller one. So if I do 4 times the liquid in smaller coconut, what we get is 4 into pi d cube by 6, which is equal to 2 pi d cube by 3, which is exactly equal to amount of liquid in the larger coconut. Hence our answer is 1. Since we have already verified 1, we need not go to option 2, 3 and 4. But if still we want to wish, we can discard option 2, 3 and